Hi everyone, welcome back to our style journey. Today I will share with you the most awesome, the most beautiful, stylish, plus size wedding guest dress designs ideas. So if you're a plus size woman and if you're looking for the ideas that will suit a plus size ladies, so this video is really going to be very helpful for you. You will find a lot of ideas, you will find a lot of dresses, the fashionable, the glamorous ones, the floor length dresses, the evening gowns, and I hope that this video is really going to be very helpful for you and very useful for you. So I already have uploaded huge collections on my channel of different type of cocktail dresses, the plus size cocktail dresses, and the boycott dresses, the mermaid dresses, and many more. So you can visit my channel to check the previous collections that I already have shared with you. So for more designs, for more ideas, just keep on watching this video till the end. Many more beautiful designs, many more beautiful ideas you'll explore in this video, and I hope that you're gonna love this collection and you're gonna find this collection very helpful for you, very useful for you. All the designs are looking so amazing. These are the party wear dresses and these are looking so stunning, and you are also, I hope you're loving these designs and you will get ideas which type of boycott dresses or which type of dresses, plus size dresses, will suit you the most. So guys, if you want to be updated by the latest fashion trends, latest dress designing ideas, so my channel is all about latest fashion trends. You will find hundreds of new designs, hundreds of new ideas daily on my channel, and I hope that you will also find them useful for you and helpful for you. So my dear viewers, if you're loving these cocktail dress designs ideas for plus size women, so please do like my video and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and if you have subscribed my channel, so please do also click the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. And I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Do tell me how is the video, how are the designs, and which type of more collections you want to watch on my channel, which type of videos are more useful for you. And please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. And thanks for your appreciation of my previous videos. Thank you so much guys for your positive feedback. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring more useful videos and ideas for you. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Keep visiting my channel for more videos, for more ideas and more collections. Don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear viewers, till the next video. See you soon guys with a new collection of ideas and designs for you in the next video on my channel.